Another very important part of our topics is posting, so you can share information about relevant to the particular topic. There's various ways of actually adding to the topic page. So you can just, under the team feed, so I'm in the team feed currently. If I'm a topic administrator, I can actually just click here, and from here I can just add the topic from the topics that I'm a member of. So even if I'm an administrator, I have to be an administrator of that topic or create the topic in order to add the topic here. So I could add local rides, for example, and it would be posted there. The other way of doing it is actually going to the topic itself. So if you look through here, I'm just going to go through the best photos. Now this topic here, I'm actually not an administrator. You can see that it's grayed out. I'm not a topic administrator, so I cannot actually have any control over the features or the settings for this topic. You'll notice if I go to post here, there's no option to give a notification whether it's once off or ongoing. So I'm just going to go to a topic that actually Eric has created, which is called local rides. It's here. And you can see that there's a few members, there's Christine and Eric, so I'm currently logged in as Eric. And the other thing that we can do across bunch rides, you can actually message the topic leader or topic administrator here. Obviously I'm logged in as Eric, I can't message myself, so it's grayed out. I'm just going to go ahead now. You can see the topic about, a lot of different areas here. I'm going to go to feed, and I'm just going to add a topic. So could be, this is under the local rides, so I'd say, this is actually bunch rides. So these are rides that I've actually ridden on. I've just taken photos and uploaded to regular social media platforms. So I'm going to add a photo. So I'm just going to go through there and pick some photos. Yep, I like that one. The great thing about bunch rides, we give the option to actually use our templates. Our templates are square, portrait, or landscape. This one was in landscape. You can enlarge it or reduce, but it'll always be constrained by the height or width, depending if it's a landscape, square, or portrait. So I'm just going to save that image, and I'm just going to go through and now add a few more images. I actually quite like this process, and we'll go through there and go, okay, which ones? I'll add this one here. This was actually the Peddler Local Loops ride. Actually, that's a map ride there. Just going to save that one. And I'll just keep going through, repeating the process. Add another photo, choose from library, and there's unlimited photos you can add. There's another landscape, and I'll show one where you can actually crop it. So using our cropping tool as well, which is quite effective, super fast, and it's a great way to get the crop done quickly. So I'm just trying to find one where we can crop. Maybe I'll try this one, square, and I'll just square that one there and there. Done easily, quickly, and it's done within the actual area defined. Choose one more, just do one last one. This one here, okay. And I quite like this one. It's a misty morning when we rode, going back a few years now, so I'm going to save that one. So now all the photos are here, and as you can keep adding photos, we don't limit how many photos you can add. Save, and then I can add some text. Yep, just rides past few years. Actually, a few of these actually predate COVID, a few years. And the great thing is, because Eric is actually administrator of this, and based on the setting of this post, no one will be notified, or all topic members will receive a once-off notification, so it'll appear on the top of the screen, or they'll receive ongoing. So what we mean by ongoing is, if you're familiar with WhatsApp, it turns it into a WhatsApp style message where anyone in the message, if they do an update to that, do a comment, it'll generate a new update, and everyone in that who's a member of that topic will get an update. So I'll say no one will be notified. Apply, and I'm really happy with that. Post. So what will happen now, once it's posted, I can go in, other members of that team, if I did do a notification, they would get, if I said give a once-off notification, they'd be made aware of it. But as I haven't actually selected that option, there won't be the option for them to create an ongoing WhatsApp style message. And bearing in mind too, as we will be introducing other features such as emojis, which everyone loves emojis, so they'll be coming as well. So if you look here, I can actually go in there. I can see there's one more photo, and you can just scroll through. The great thing about bunch rides is we actually don't scale the image, so you can actually see it at its native resolution. So it doesn't start pixelating as well. And you can just go through, see all the photos. Again, just click on the photo and you can see it there. And I'm just going to go back. So you'll see that I've actually logged in as another user simultaneously. I'm just going to add a comment. And this is from Christine. And I'll just say great photos. And that'll come through once I've posted it. So it'll come through. We are adding an automatic refresh as we do have in our private messages. We will be adding that to our posts, to the feed across rides, your home profile, and also team rides as well, and teams. So I'm just going to refresh that. And you'll see now there's a comment 17 seconds ago. So you will need to actually manually refresh. You can see the comment is in blue. Blue denotes anything. It's a recent comment. I can click on it. I can see it's 27 seconds ago. I can scroll down. I can see it's sent by Christine. I can actually reply to Christine. Thanks. And post. And then that becomes a reply from Eric to Christine. And so you can keep going and just going back to there. And the great thing is that this will be aggregated into the team feed. So I'm going to team feed. You see it up on the top there. You can see where it's the topic, which is called best photos. You can see when it was posted. And again, you can just filter by those posts or those topics that you want to see. So you may go, well, I can actually go to the topics I'm a member of, but the only topics I really wish to see is one here, best photos, which I selected earlier, and I'm going to select local rides as well. That's going to go apply. So they're the only two topics. I can also show team posts, and I can also show ride posts as well. So you can actually just scroll through, and these are all the rides that are part of the team. These are team rides. I'll cancel that. And so we're just going to be voting best photos and photos of subjects only. Nope, I'll apply. And then you'll just see the two, so local rides and best photos, and there's another one here, best photos and best photos. So it's an easy way to really curate the information you get in your team feed. And again, you can go back to your home, and if you're a member of that topic or member of the team, again, you'll see the latest updates in your home feed. Quite powerful. It is a little bit different to other platforms' work, bearing in mind that we are introducing 10 applications in one. So the navigation is going to be a little bit different, but the idea is to centralize all your communication, centralize all your posts, and again, all your notifications come through here. And you can see that Christine recently joined, or if there's a new post, it'll come through here as well. So everything is given to you as needed and giving you the right information at the right time when you need it, and not being inundated with bells and whistles and constant notifications of what you receive.